Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that has been a huge part of my journey recently, my volunteering experience with Robin Hood Army. Our primary goal is to tackle food wastage and hunger in the city. We collect excess food from events like weddings, parties, or where there is a leftover food. We ensure it reaches those in need by doing a small survey in our city. So, overall, it is really impactful for our society. Whereas volunteering is not just about helping others or do well for our society, there's so much we can learn along the way. Like, I personally enhance my negotiation and communication skills along with leadership, networking, problem solving, and various other productive skills. I was youngest in the group, a group consisting of business person, engineers, architects, overall a group of people coming from different professions. My teammates were generous and good since they were contributing to this cause. We used to go different locations for our drive. For example, on this 15th August mega drive we went to 4 5 villages. So what came to your mind by the thought of village? In mind, Dholakpur of Chota Bheem, or a calm scenery, but reality was different. Overall, it was a very new experience for me. For our work, we got recognized by District Magistrate of our city, and we also got featured in ABP News national television channel.
अब बात मदद की, वो मदद जो किसी की जिंदगी में बेहतरी लाए, किसी के सपनों को उड़ान दे और देश के भीतर इसी मिशन पर जुटी एक आर्मी जिसका नाम है रॉबिन हुड आर्मी और जिसका काम है भूख के खिलाफ जंग। आइए आप देखिए।
जहाँ जरूरतमंदों को राशन की बांटी जा रही है, जिसमें आटा, दाल, चावल, नमक और सरसों की तेल जैसे रोजमर्रा की जरूरतों के सामान। हमें रॉबिन हुड आर्मी की टीम यूपी के मुरादाबाद में भी कुछ इस तरह की मुहिम को अंजाम देती नजर आई, जहाँ गरीब और वंचित लोगों को बेसिक चीजें मुहैया कराई जा रही है।
जब मैंने कोविड में देखा कि कैसी हमारी सोसाइटी की हालत हो रही है, तो उसमें फिर मैंने सोचा कि मैं अपनी तरफ से क्या कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकता हूँ। तो मैं अकेला कुछ नहीं कर सकता, तो इसलिए मेरे को साथ ही चाहिए थे।
और अब तक 50,000 किलो हम लोग खाना बचा चुके हैं जो वेस्ट हो सकता था, 10 दिन में जा सकता था, लेकिन हम लोग बचा दिया और नीडी तक पहुंचा दिया जिन्हें उसकी जरूरत।
वर्ल्ड वाइड में हमारे एनपीओ है वो 413 सिटीज में काम कर रहा है, जिसमें देश विदेश 13 देश और विदेश जुड़े।
जरूरतमंदों को खाना खिलाने से लेकर समृद्ध लोगों से खाना बर्बाद न करने की अपील की मुहिम चलाते हैं। इसके अलावा रॉबिन हुड आर्मी गरीब इलाकों में बच्चों को पढ़ाती भी है और उन्हें स्कूल जाने के लिए प्रेरित करती है।
Really feeling grateful for it. Along with our normal food distribution drive, we have also done productive things like fundraising, promotion, pitched our ideas to public, organized special drives like clothes distribution drives, Gaushala drive, and my personal favorite was the old age home drive. From villages to old age home, I have gathered whole new diverse experiences and which was really very productive. Along with serving food, we also serve awareness. Like from this plantation drive, we have talked about what is the need of planting trees. We have also done various sponsors food drive, and even my viewers also can contribute to this cause. And more than that, become a Robin Hood Army's volunteer. It will be really very productive for our society and as well as for ourselves also. And with that, last but not the least, my last drive with RHA, another mega drive of 15th August, where we have fed around 115 families with proper ration kits. Will really going to miss my team members cum friends whom I spent such a joyful, productive and impactful time. I really got to learn various new things, got diverse experiences with this my volunteering journey. A strong recommendation from my side, must gather some volunteering experience. It will be impactful for our society along with yourself also. You can also join Robin Hood Army as it is in 13 countries on the globe and 406 cities in India. Make sure to share this video if you like it and subscribe my channel. A very big thank you to RHA Muradabad chapter for this precious opportunity and love, and thanks Robin Hood Army. Bye everyone, subscribe.